Round number 3, two pieces to chase, Daylight and SFPV. AKA Drone to push this to a 4th round if they pull a win. A password? Try 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a Dougie. Dougie. Here we go. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. This could be our final round of Freedom Spec, or it may not. SFPV, A-Drone, AKFPV, and Daylight FPV, your running order. And someone just pulled in front of SFPV. That was AK pushing himself up in the lead. AK trying to push us to a round 4. SFPV, Daylight, and A-Drone shuffling up all in the mix right now in the opening lap. There's a thing of beauty. On to lap number 2, we take them. It is SFPV, AK, Daylight, and A-Drone. Less than 7/10 of a second on our top 3. 4 seconds on our field. After 1 lap down, 2 to go. So SFPV still holding them off, but you can see AK and Daylight FPV right with them, especially as they came out of the Superior 1 roofing dive cube. And it's still SFPV, AK, and Daylight. AK closest to SFPV, right up behind him. Just about made a pass there on the start-finish gate swoopy. SFPV, Daylight 1.2 seconds back, and AK in 3rd, now back up into 2nd. They're all starting to tangle up. There we go. Once again, SFPV, AK, Daylight. Now A-Drone is caught up to the field as well. It could be a 4-wide finish here at the end of this one. SFPV trying to hold him off. Does he do it to the line? He will be your champion.
God damn.
Well, the top corner.